Hello, good day. Let's start with our weekly forecast. We have these instruments right here, which are the ones I will be following this week. For now, these are the ones that we have as a valid setups. During the week, they might get invalid, so let's keep that in mind. Also, you should add confirmations before executing your order. The first one is USD Yen. As you can see, the price just is just broken. It's just breaking structures. We have two highs here being removed, and we also have liquidity above this trend line right there. So price made a demand zone right here. It created this demand level. So for this week, I will be waiting for a confirmation around this area, so I can go long. Confirmations might be probably break of structures in lower time frames. We can also look for reversal patterns. We can also look for consolidations, and then we wait for the breakout of the consolidation, and then we place our entry when the price retraces. So this is the first one, dollar yen. I'll be looking for a buy here. Then I also have dollar cat. Dollar cat just changed the structure today. That's the main reason why I don't like trading on Mondays, because on Mondays price is just like cleaning levels. It's just like setting up the structure for the week, and it gives us a better view after Mondays. All right. So by Monday in Asia, we have a better perspective of what the market will do the whole week. So that's basically why I don't like trading on Mondays. And as you can see, we had a bullish structure. The price was creating this bullish structure, and then it reversed from this supply level. So now supply is in control, and this low was taken out, creating this 1 hour supply level, which is the one where I will be waiting for a movement like this, let's say, broken structure, a Quasimodo level, and I'll be waiting for that movement once price retraces to this zone. Once again, I don't like placing level entries just because they are levels. I rather wait for confirmation entries. Then I have pound dollar. Pound dollar is creating every time new lows. This level has been respected, but as you can see, the price action here, this price action is not that solid. So this is telling us that buyers here are not that willing to buy. This is just a retracement. This is just a few orders getting filled, for buy positions. But we have this fresh supply level here, and this is the level where I will be monitoring sell positions around this area, sell positions. And if I have the expected movement or the expected confirmation, depending on the price action, because that's very important, depending on the price action, I will be placing sell positions. Aussie dollar. This is one of the levels that I will be monitoring today. After Asia, probably by the London session, we can get some sell entries here. As you can see, the price just created a new low. Actually, it broke this equal lows of the daily time frame. See, our daily time frame had equal lows, and these equal lows were broken, and the price created this supply level on the 4 hour, responsible of creating the new low. So it's a very important level. This is a very important level that we should monitor. I like the way the price is retracing. That's very important, very very important. Why? Because when the price it's retracing in a structural way, that's higher odds. Why? Because you are able to see where the confirmation is. Let's say price creates something like this. It creates new higher highs, and then the last higher low is removed. So there should be here a order block. There should be an order block around the 50% of the 4 hour order block, and that's where you place your entry. If price retraces, well, fine, that's good. Your position will be filled. If you like to take risky entries, then you just place your entry around the 50% of the order block and hope for the best. So that's the thing. That's what I don't. That's why I don't like placing entries just because they are levels, because we don't know if they're gonna hold. Then we have pound kiwi. Price created this huge rally, this huge movement to the upside, and now it's retracing. So for the week, we can monitor this demand level and see if price gives confirmation in the area. We have Eurogen. I like Eurogen. I've been waiting for this setup since last week. Because the price was consolidating here. The price was consolidating, but we still have liquidity below this support level. Check this support. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The support level has been tested 4 times. So this is a pretty much, this is a level where there might be tons of buy limit orders and sell stop orders. So there is liquidity below this support area. So if we have our confirmation in this area, this is a good level for us to take profit. We have pound Aussie, same thing as pound Kiwi. It's the same pattern, the same structure, the same thing. So around this area, this is another one that we can start monitoring from today. This is another area where I will be looking for buy positions. We have crude oil. This is one of the most interesting setups I have for the week. Why? See that this level, this support level, has been tested around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost six times. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6 times. Has been tested 6 times. Why is that important? Because this is an obvious support, and people who trade support and resistance will be placing buy positions around this area, letting us see where the stop losses are. And below we have a 4-hour demand level. This is a very common pattern where we can take stop hunt entries. What are stop hunt entries? Sometimes you will see this type of pattern where we have a support level. We have a support level here, and below the support level, you will identify there is another block. There is a demand level. So most of the time, these entries move, or these setups move like this. Let me give an example. The price breaks the support in a very fast and accelerated movement, and then boom, price moves all the way up. Or if we are trying to look for a sell position, and if you have a resistance level and then above there is a supply level, it's gonna be, most of the time it's gonna be the same thing. We have gold. Check here that we have gold. Gold has changed the whole structure. This low was taken out. Now price, it's retracing, but it almost creates this equal lows right here. Almost equal lows. We can call it support too. Support there. So we have this support level, and once again, same thing. Check here. We have a support level. People is buying from here, but below we have a demand zone. So here's a valid level for us to look for buy positions. But for now, we are following the trend, and this is our supply level where we should monitor for sells. We can look for a reversal pattern here, and keep in mind that gold moves a lot because of liquidity. So try to add more pips to your stop loss if you trade gold, in order to avoid this spikes. All right. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's getting very interesting. Why? This supply level is holding very nicely, right? So when we check the 1 hour time frame, the price is right now at this order block. All right, we have this order block which created this movement. Now we have equal lows here, and we have this fair value gap or inefficiency, okay, in the 1 hour time frame. So those are levels. We know that there is liquidity below this this equal low, and we have this inefficiency. So the price might try to fill those orders in this candle. All right. Okay. Good. So those are the targets for Bitcoin in the short term. We have we have this 1 hour order block. We have this trend line. Price action is showing some weakness on Bitcoin. Even though we have this huge rally, this is just a retracement. And now we are looking for sell positions. Okay, where are the sell positions? We have to go to the lower time frame, guys, and check this swing low right here. All right, this swing low created a new higher high. So I have an alert right here. I have an alert that if this level gets taken out, depending on how it breaks, we can look for a sell position if price retrace. I like it a lot. The reason why is because the 50% of the order block has been respected. So if the level gives confirmation, and if Bitcoin has more room to the downside, this is the level where we can look for sell orders. All right. So for now, I just have this alert, and let's see how it plays. If price continue going up, I just disregard this setup. Then we have NCD dollar. Same thing as Aussie dollar. It's pretty much the same thing. So these are the other setups I will be looking probably tonight to sell if we have confirmations. Let's check the daily time frame and see where the price is going. See that the market here has been very efficient, okay? But here we have some inefficiencies on the daily time frame. So I'm gonna place a line here. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna place a line here, and this is the first fair value gap, or the first inefficiency that I will be waiting for the price to fill. So on the long term on this pair. So for now, I just have this order block, and I will wait for the price to give me the confirmation. And last one, for those NASDAQ lovers, I have this setup on the NASDAQ. See, the price was on the consolidation mode for quite some time. Now it broke to the upside, creating this level. I like to trade NASDAQ in the New Year session only. So if the pre-market is pretty good. So if price tomorrow retraces to this area, where is my here? If price retraces to this area, I can look for buy positions. See all this inefficiency here. So basically we'll be going from zone to zone. If we have our entry tomorrow, we'll go from zone to zone here. And then we can look for more sell entries here on this level. So that's basically the forecast for this week. Once again, you should add confirmations. That's my recommendation, because if you are new trading supply and demand, or if you're new trading order blocks, you will find that sometimes those order blocks simply don't work. So if you add break of structures in the area, that's when price is telling you that the level is going to work or has higher probabilities. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this weekly forecast, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to find, or if you would like to get more information about us, about Forex Lens, you can send us an email, or you can contact us in Instagram, and one of our representatives will contact you. We'll get back to you shortly. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.